That's right. We just made some hibiscus tacos, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so good. Like the consistency of this is like basically like a pulled pork. Guys, look at this. This is hibiscus flour, but it is so like pulled pork. It's not even funny. Like it's ridiculous. Like the consistency. Well, I'm a vegetarian for a year and a half, so it's to me it's like pulled pork, and it tastes like pulled pork, and oh my god, it's so good. Oh, so good. Guys, look at this stuff. This is hibiscus flour. It's so good. Oh my god. So it's like pulled pork to me because I'm a vegetarian for a year and a half now. And you mix it with barbecue and stuff, and it's just like pulled pork sandwiches. I'm like, ooh. Now Fidel doesn't like it by itself. I kind of do. I'm just weird like that. But yeah, to me, it's like a really, really meaty consistency. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but here, hold on. Yeah, okay, that's not working. But, so basically, it's really, really meaty, and it's like pulled pork, basically, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And it really wasn't that hard to do. It was, you have to like, put it in a strainer, strain it out until it's like pink water coming out. Then you put it in a pot and you boil it for 10 minutes. Then you take it off the heat and you let it stew for about 2 hours. After the 2 hours is done, you basically put it in this kind of bowl. And I mixed it with like 2 cups of onion and 2 cups of garlic. And I put it in there, and then I took some seasoning, which is cumin. I just kind of eyed everything. I did cumin, I did onion powder, I did red pepper flakes, and what else?
This is the best part, look.
Oh yeah, and you guys can make tea out of it, so like, it's pretty exciting.
Yeah.
We should show it a little bit more.
I'm cooling it off because I don't like hot tea.
Yeah, so we're gonna make some amazing tea out of it. We're actually gonna put the oranges in there and see how it tastes and everything. So, yeah, this is our hibiscus taco. Now we don't have any like tortillas right now. I'm gonna get some masa so I can make some homemade tortillas, or I don't know. I've also been mixing it with like barbecue sauce and putting it on a sandwich, and it's just like a pulled pork sandwich to me. Fidel, what do you think? Do you think it's like a pulled pork sandwich almost with the barbecue?
It's alright. The barbecue kind of masks the taste of the bitterness I think the hibiscus flour has without it. I think after you put everything on top, like you're making tacos, I can totally eat it.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so basically, I'm just letting this like cook over low heat, just so I can dry it out a little bit and make it more of a meaty like flavor to it. I don't know, you guys can't see this, but it's freaking amazing. Oh my god, let me see. Hold on. Anyways, this is hibiscus tacos with Ken and Fidel. And what we're doing is we are creating this channel for meatless products. So, everyday products that we turn meatless. Alright guys, well that's cooking with Ken here. Cooking meatless with Ken. And stay tuned because tomorrow we're actually going to do some tofu frying. Woohoo!